Hi guys, welcome to our BrickSmart YouTube channel. So today we'll be unboxing the new LEGO City Advent Calendar. Advent Calendar is a LEGO set that is being released every year for Christmas. It features 24 gifts, which it starts on the 1st December to the 24th of December. So from this box there will be 24 small boxes that features some like Christmas tree or some car and some minifigure. The Santa Claus minifigure is featured as usual. Okay. From the back side, there's also a checklist of city sets released this year, in which some of the little builds are inspired from. So the checklist that they have is the police station, the sky show, and the marine research vessel. It also features some of the minifigures that were released this year and some in which is also from the sets that is from the checklist. Okay, so let's not waste any time and let's go into the unboxing. Alright, let's unbox and see what's inside. Okay, over here. Okay. Here. So, okay, alright, so this is what's inside. So for each of the number, it's meant for, let's say for the number 2, it's the 2nd of December. So when it's the 2nd of December, you open that and you have some surprise and some mini builds. It also features a plate in which you can play with and include your figures and some of the car small builds in which you can play on. Alright, let's start with the first one. So the first one is the marine. Alright, so for the first one, it is the marine. So this one I believe it took inspiration from the set that was released this year. So it's a very cool feature that it took it from there. Okay, let's move on to number 2. The minifigure. Alright, so for the next one, it is a figure. So this guy, he holds a spanner, so I believe he is actually a repair guy. So pretty cool. Alright, the next one is the police station. So I believe this police station was also took inspiration from the set that was released this year. Very cool feature as well. Alright, so for the next one, it's a yellow truck. So it is a very nice touch for this build, as it adds some color to the whole build. Alright, so for the next one is also a figure. This figure is actually featured in the marine set that was released this year. So it's very cool they featured him as well. Alright, so for this one, I believe it's this patrol station. So it is also very nice building to add more color into it. Alright, so for the next one, this is a helicopter. So I believe this also took inspiration from a set that will be releasing on September. If you'd like us to unbox that set as well, do tell us on the comment section below. Alright, so for the next one, this is a Christmas tree. So of course, this is something that you cannot leave out on a Christmas play set. Yeah, so this is a very simple Christmas tree. How can you celebrate Christmas without some lovely wrapped gifts? So for this next one, it features a green and red wrapped gifts from Santa Claus. Alright, so for the next one, this is a policewoman figure. So it's a very nice touch as it has a police station. She's also holding a very shiny gold badge as well. Alright, so for the next one, this is a fire truck. So I find it weird that it has a fire truck but it doesn't have a fire station. But cool touch on this build as well. So for the next one, this is a train. This train can be put on the rails that you might have saw on the plate. Very cool feature as well. Alright, so the next one, I believe this is a bank as it has a dollar sign on on top of its building, the third building that is being included in this advent calendar. Alright, so for the next one, it is a red monster truck. It has a larger wheel compared to others so that it fits its scale. Very nice touch on it. Alright, so for the next one, this is a police car. So this is a larger police car so that they can catch the bad guys and put them and bring them back to the police station. Beep-bo, beep-bo. So for the next one, it is a figure that sets a good example of a bad guy, or in this case, a girl. She was also featured on the set that was on the checklist, the police station. So for the next one, this is a skyjet. So I believe this one was also took inspiration from the set Sky Race, which it also featured a skyjet as well. Pretty nice. So for the next one, this is a simple blue car, which also adds some nice touch to the whole build. Very nice blue car. So for the next one, she is a policewoman, which I believe she is from the SWAT police, and she is holding a pineapple. So I think you cannot stop hunger from coming. So for the next one, it is actually from 3GIFs. It features a transporter truck and also a speedboat, which there is also a playset with the code 60254. This features its head and its tail and also the speedboat as well. But this is not on the checklist like the other sets that was featured. So very nice touch. So as you can see, there's these two GIFs being combined together. And then for the next one, this is for the speedboat. So very cool touch on this, as it is not from the checklist but also featuring the sets that was being released this year. Alright, so for the next one, it is a sledge and a reindeer. So this is the sledge that Mr. Santa Claus rides on and brings the gifts to you. Alright, so for the last gift, this is the one and only Mr. Santa Claus. So this is actually a guy wearing like Santa Claus bringing gifts to you.
Alright guys, so I have set it up in a sensible way. Okay. Yeah. And the Santa Claus with his sledge and reindeer. Police station with the Daisy Kaboom being locked up. Yeah. So it's just a bunch of mini builds that is very fun to build every day throughout the year. December. Alright guys, so that's all for the unboxing. If you enjoyed our video, do remember to like our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and remember to click open the notification bell. Share to your friends if you enjoyed it, and if you want to get any sets from us, you can get it through our website and also on our store. Thank you for watching. See you guys again.